This is not just a luxury coupe. This is the 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed, a monster luxury sports coupe that blends handcrafted elegance with shocking performance. And stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal an exciting future feature that could redefine Bentley performance forever. Let's begin. The 2025 Continental GT Speed represents the most powerful road-going Bentley ever made. From the outside, it looks refined, muscular, and unmistakably British. The signature matrix grille, dark chrome detailing, and sculpted body lines give it a commanding presence without ever feeling loud or aggressive. It's elegance with serious intent. Under the hood is where the real magic happens. The GT Speed introduces Bentley's new ultra-performance hybrid powertrain. It combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with an electric motor, producing a staggering 771 horsepower and massive torque. This allows the Continental GT Speed to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3 seconds. Numbers that place it firmly in supercar territory. Despite that performance, the driving experience remains smooth and refined. Power is delivered through an advanced all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, giving the GT Speed both explosive acceleration and effortless cruising capability. You can drive it aggressively or glide quietly through the city. The choice is yours. Step inside, and you're surrounded by true Bentley craftsmanship. The interior is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, polished metal accents, and intricate detailing throughout. The seats are incredibly comfortable yet supportive, making long journeys feel effortless. Bentley's rotating display, digital driver cluster, and premium infotainment system blend modern technology with classic luxury. Ride comfort is enhanced by adaptive air suspension and active anti-roll technology, allowing the car to stay flat and composed during spirited driving while remaining incredibly smooth over long distances. This is a coupe built for both speed and comfort, without compromise. Of course, this level of luxury and performance comes at a price. The Continental GT Speed is not meant to be practical or subtle. It's designed for those who want power, prestige, and exclusivity in one perfectly crafted machine. Now, as promised, here's the future feature. Bentley is preparing to expand its electrified performance lineup even further. In the near future, we could see advanced electric driving modes with increased range and smarter performance tuning, allowing future GT Speed models to deliver even more power with greater efficiency and silent cruising capability. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more luxury and performance car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.